A sea of supporters cheered for the Bharatiya Janata Party as it swept India's national elections with the biggest win in over 30 years. One of the questions now being raised is what will this government's climate policy be?
This government can take a robust policy stand, whichever way it looks at it. So whether it says no to, say, the climate talks, or it says no, we want to push this kind of an agenda, it will take a very robust view of it, which is something which they couldn't do in the past. And hence, we were always trying to forge consensus on this.
Rai will be in Mexico this week, where legislators from around the world will meet to discuss matters including climate change.
And this is uniquely political, as in we talk about how does it affect people. It is not about climate science. Yes, climate science is important. Climate science will tell us how the world is changing and how people will get affected. There won't be any general consensus, but at least if there is sensitivity and understanding between different parts of the world as to how they get affected by climate change, that in itself would be a major achievement.
With devastating floods, droughts, and cyclones, 2013 proved to be one of the worst years for India in recent memory, and the government faced a lot of pressure to take some serious steps.
You know, these are early days. This government has a majority, but I haven't heard anything substantial on climate change from this government so far. So it would not be, correct to comment right now what they are going to do or not going to do on climate change. But in general, India needs to change its position on climate change. So I think it's a good opportunity for legislatures from India to go and interact with legislatures from across the world and understand these issues, what actions are being taken both in terms of adapting to climate change and what mitigation actions different countries are taking. Work that countries are doing on renewable energy, for instance, would be very interesting for Indian legislatures to understand.
As climate disasters continue and the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change sounding yet another alarm, some believe decisive action on climate change is more closer than ever.
So therefore, when these kinds of things happen, then certainly it will push it upwards to New Delhi, and somebody has to take action. And therefore, we will see that we will be forced at some point of time to take action. Whether that action will be a little too late is really the question.